Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we've got our grandson Bryson, say hi.
Hi.
And we got our granddaughter London, say hi.
Hi.
With us, and we're opening up two Everdreamerz figures. These were given to Bryson for his birthday back in April, and they're still unopened. So we got to get this fixed. I think actually he got these for Christmas, now that I think about it. So we're going to Bryson's going to open up the first one, but we're going to look at the box real quick.
And I'll open this
No,
one.
not yet. We got to wait.
Oh,
So this one has, this is series number 3. This is the Music World Everdreamerz figures, and we don't know which ones to expect. And they're already fighting. No fighting. And then on the side here, we have a picture of some of the things that are coming in the box. Here's all of the choking hazard warnings on the back, and the country of manufacture and distribution. And then we have a whole bunch of other, no, not yet. We have a whole bunch of pictures of all the figures that we could be getting in here, but there's only one figure in here, and Bryson's gonna go ahead and open this one up. Go ahead and open that up. Okay, well, yeah, go ahead and open that one up. And yes, for any of our Virginia fans, we are Virginia Tech Hokie fans. In fact, we're going to go see Virginia Tech play against Old Dominion tomorrow night at Lane Stadium, and
Oh, it's gonna be a guitar.
No, it's a tuba. Actually, this is the only one I don't have that I wanted. This is Mrs. Spotlight. She has a tuba. So that was her trading card, and then she has a sticker.
I need scissors.
No, I'll get it open. And a charm. She comes with a charm.
I have scissors.
But those aren't real scissors. Those don't cut anything.
Yes, they can. They come off.
Oh, okay. Those are real scissors. How did you get those?
Cause
Here. So Bryson just started kindergarten, so he's doing pretty good. And he's got his first pair of scissors here. So here's Mrs. Spotlight. She has blue hair, and look at that. She even has some makeup on. Some golden makeup on her
Can I borrow
eyes.
this?
No, silly. And then she wears this cape. And this cape makes her
How
look
do I make music?
like a superstar. You don't, silly. It's for her. Alright? So, sorry for the out of focus. And then, this is her stand. She stands on this, but we're missing a piece. Something fell. Where'd it go? She comes with these 2 bracelets, and you put 1 bracelet on each arm. So Bryson's gonna put the after he puts his scissors away.
I just had them in here. Someone doesn't know.
Yeah, and then here's the bracelets. Can you put those on her wrists? So we're gonna open the second one, but I'm gonna have Bryson open it the right way this time. No, let Bryson do it. These are his toys. So you're gonna open it here, okay? Take that tab and pull it. This yellow tab right there. There you go. There you go. Right down the middle.
Open it very hard. Like this one did.
Yeah, there you go. Keep going.
Get the one piece.
And then tear this part up. Tear this part.
One piece.
Yep. Oh, there's the charm. Here's the charm, guys. It's a little musical note.
Yeah.
Oh, I have this one. This one's so cool.
Yeah.
This one is Mr. Sir Talk-A-Lot.
Amazing.
And there it goes. Let's go, Hokies. And here, this is Sir Talk-A-Lot.
Oopsie.
That's okay. We'll just pick it up. Oh, okay. Well, it would seem London wants to take it away from us.
There's
All right.
another music thing.
This is another charm.
Yeah,
And
wait.
London took it away from me again. All right, here's the piece that we're missing. Oh, there it is. I found it. Here's the little plastic piece that should go on the star. All right, so Sir Chocolat has a very nice, cool-looking golden uniform outfit. He kind of looks like Elton John, actually. Very cool looking. Then going back, whose is this? I don't know who has the red microphone. I'm assuming this is gonna go to Sir Chocolat. Then Sir Chocolat has a saxophone, and then he has his stand. Here's the stand all assembled, and it is a red star. Mrs. Spotlight has a blue star, and we found her little plastic piece so we can put her on the stand. And that's about it. Let's put these together and see what they look like together. Okay, so here is Sir Chocolat and Mrs. Spotlight assembled completely here together. Very cool looking figures. This was the one figure I needed from my bundle of Everdreamerz figures that I got. If you guys saw that video, if you guys didn't see that video, that's where I ordered 3 Everdreamerz figures, and I ended up getting a box of, I think, 24 of them for 16 bucks. Yeah, totally unexpected. But this was the only one of its kind, and I never got her. So apparently, I ended up giving it to Brysen for Christmas last year, 2022. So it's kind of funny that she showed up today. And then here is Mrs. Spotlight's trading card. And then the stickers that they come with are basically their trading card all over again. And here's the other one. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If not, I totally understand. Hopefully we'll get another unboxing completed for you guys pretty soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to us if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up. And guys, we will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.